Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of the Learning Google Docs series. In this tutorial we're going to show all about formatting text. So Google Docs makes this fairly straightforward in their application. If you divert your eyes up here to the top where it says Arial, this is where you can choose your font. Next to that we have font size. Next to that we have bold, italicize, underline. We have text color, and we have highlight color. If we skip a little bit, we have as far as left align text, center align, right align, and justify. We're going to cover all of these, but one part where you can get confused is if you do have a different resolution to your computer and it's blown up a little bit like this, sometimes you won't be able to see all the font options. If this happens to you, there is this little 3 dots or ellipses here. If you click that, it'll show you the rest of your menu where you can find the rest of what you might be looking for. So if you're getting stuck on that part, do look for those 3 dots. It will show you more of the menu in case you have a different resolution. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it back to its original size. And I'm going to highlight the first paragraph here. And I will want to give this a different font. So let's go in here and change it to Lobster. And as long as you have it highlighted and you select Lobster, it'll change everything you highlighted to that particular font type. Now the same goes for any other font attribute you would like to change. As far as the font size, you can increase it by hitting the plus, the minus to decrease it. You can select in it and select a predetermined font size. You can also double click in there and type in and hit enter a font size. So you have a couple of different options as far as selecting font size. You have a bold option, you have italicized. As long as everything's highlighted, it will work, underlined. And then you can give it a different text color. You can give it a text background color. And then let's go ahead now. I don't see the left align and right align here, so I'm going to back that out until I see it. So I went ahead and made it a little bit smaller, and now I have a few more options. Now I'm going to change the background color because that's really hard on the eyes there. I'm going to make it more of a lighter blue. There we go. Now I'm going to highlight the same paragraph, and it is already left aligned, but let's go and see what it looks like center aligned. That looks pretty good. Right aligned. And what's really neat is this justify option. You click that and it kind of puts in various spaces between the words to make the left and right line up. It's really nice that way. Some of these options and a few more can be found underneath the format menu option here. You can see text is here. There's a few more available as far as strike through, superscript, subscript. You even have a capitalization formatting. You can really kind of keep going and going as far as formatting in Google Docs. It does have a lot of options, but that's just a few to get you started, and I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next part of the series. Thank you.